Hi, I'm Rob Dziziak, President and CEO of King Global Ventures. We're an exploration company operating in the Gander Gold Belt of central Newfoundland. We've got 4 highly prospective and previous explored properties there. Previously, Rubicon Minerals spent about $500,000, 2002, 2007. This summer, we spent about $300,000 doing a lot of groundwork. And this fall, we're going to be flying geophysics and be ready for drilling in the spring. I have an extensive background in the public markets. I've been, CEO, chairman, director of upwards of 20 public companies. We're pretty excited to be operating in the Central Gold Belt, where there have been some really, incredible success stories. Obviously, Newfound Gold with their 19 meters of 93 grams per ton gold. And so, it's one of the best jurisdictions in the world, a very safe place. You have over 30 players operating in the region. A lot of money's been raised and there are a lot of drilling going on. So the expectation is there are going to be some pretty exciting results coming out of that belt in the next 4 months. So we're about 45 minutes north of Gander by drive, and then about 20 minutes by boat, and basically brackish water along the coast through the Coker Porphyry. Historically, through 2002, 2007, Rubicon Minerals spent about $500,000 exploring on the property. They brought in a structural geologist who was able to identify 17 drill targets. This last year, we spent $300,000 on our summer program, basically expanding on previous work by Rubicon to do more grab samples and channel sampling. The results came out recently in a press release, so we're pretty excited about having a new find on Miss Pickle Island, where it was more of a porphyry as opposed to a quartz system. And on there, we were able to get 0.39 grams over 75 meters. And so an expansive area, and definitely something that'll be worth drilling in the near future. Also, if we look at our neighbors, we've got Ethos to the west and north of us, and they've had some pretty substantial results on grab samples, 2,500 grams a ton, 1,100 grams a ton, 310 grams a ton, and they're going to be drilling. And so what the airborne will help us do is a continuity of where our property is, because we intersect them. And so on trend, that could be pretty exciting for us. Yeah, so we originally $700,000 in September, and the vast majority of those resources are going to be used to put it back into the property. Another press release, we've engaged Goldspot to be our primary exploration company, help us move forward. So the first part of that will be a geophysical flyover, which is scheduled for December. And then after that, we're going to try to tie in our geological model and use their AI learning, which has had significant results with other companies to focus on drill-ready targets for a spring program, which we're pretty excited about. Where's the value in King? Well, we've done all this groundwork, so we've got some drill-ready targets. We're going to be flying geophysics going forward. We have $1.2 million in the bank, and I think relative to our peers, we're a story that nobody really knows about. So I think there's significant catalysts for us to move forward to create significant shareholder value going forward over the next 4 to 6 months.